Charlie Munger is a legendary figure in the world of investing, known for his long-standing partnership with Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world. Munger is the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational conglomerate holding company, and has played an instrumental role in shaping the company's investment philosophy and overall success. Munger was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1924 and attended the University of Michigan, where he studied mathematics and philosophy. After serving in World War II, he attended Harvard Law School and later started his own law practice in Los Angeles. However, he soon realized that his true calling was in the world of investing, and he went on to become one of the most successful investors of all time. Munger's investment philosophy is centered on a few key principles, one of which is the importance of understanding the companies in which one invests. Munger encourages investors to do their research and to gain a deep understanding of a company's business model, management, and competition. He also emphasizes the importance of looking at a company's ability to perform over a long period of time, rather than focusing on short-term gains. Another important aspect of Munger's investment philosophy is avoiding debt and diversifying one's investments. Munger believes that taking on too much debt can lead to financial instability, and he encourages investors to focus on building a portfolio full of high-quality investments, rather than taking big risks on individual stocks. He also believes in the importance of avoiding impulsive decisions and taking a long-term perspective, rather than being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. In addition to his investment acumen, Munger is well known for his wisdom and insight, as well as his wit and humor. He has made numerous public appearances over the years, where he has shared his thoughts on a wide range of subjects, from investing and finance to ethics and life in general. He is a sought-after speaker, and his speeches and writings are widely read and quoted by people around the world. Munger's philanthropic efforts have also had a significant impact on the world. He has made numerous donations to various charitable organizations over the years, and has been particularly supportive of organizations that focus on education, healthcare, and the arts. He is widely regarded as a giving and generous individual, who has used his wealth and influence to make a positive difference in the world. In conclusion, Charlie Munger is a highly respected business magnate, investor, and philanthropist, who has made a lasting impact on the world of investing. His investment philosophy, centered on a deep understanding of companies, avoidance of debt, and a long-term perspective, has served as a model for successful investing for many people around the world. His wisdom, insight, and generosity have made him a beloved figure in the business community, and his legacy continues to inspire generations of investors to come.